Okay, pick whichever one you can think of a synonym for. Yes. Yes.
Maybe both of these or just one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sammy wants to tell on her word. So we got ratted, knotted, and tingle. Does everybody think those are good synonyms?
Yes.
Okay, we were going to do 2, but way to go to 3. Way to go extra miles. Okay.